Our goal at Optimal Health and Wellness was to create a healthcare center that's capable of treating and supporting the patient as a whole. The human body is an integrative masterpiece where all systems work harmoniously together, and it should be supported and treated in the same manner. Through our own personal experiences in healthcare, we realized that there was a deficit in clinics that support the entire patient with an integrative approach. Our motto is to provide a contemporary, integrative approach to healthcare, and we feel like our patients truly deserve that.
Helping improve the confidence of my patients is my favorite part of my job. I feel like we really take the time to listen to our patients and talk about their goals and what they want. We really focus from the inside out. I really just like seeing patients when they first come in and kind of addressing those main concerns that they might have. And then when I follow up with them in 2 weeks for lab review or 1 month and 3 months and down the road, they say it changes my relationships, it changes how I'm performing at work, it's changing my relationships in my marriage, and kind of can change their whole life. And to be able to be a part of that is a great thing.
That is an amazing thing that we do daily, helping our patients achieve their goals or whatever it is that they're trying to accomplish. I feel like Optimal Health and Wellness can definitely help them in any perspective, be aesthetics or wellness visits. Know that you're getting great care.
It's definitely a provider-patient relationship. Over a period of time, could be 6 months, could be a couple of years. At some point in time, it does start to feel like you know the person, you know more about their family, you know their travel desires, where they've been, if they've had a loss of a family member, a birth, anything. You start to know that kind of stuff. It's almost kind of feels family-ish, you know. Our work family is our work family, but there's also our patient family too.
What I really love about Optimal Health and Wellness is it feels like a family. Like you come in, everybody is very inviting, everybody really knows what they're talking about. They really work with you and they listen.
We are very personalized. We cater to the patient's needs, and we really take the time to get to know the patient, not only for what they're here for, but who they are.
The difference for me that I loved was they're approachable. I think coming in here, you walk in, you're greeted, and you get to know the employee's life. I mean, you know all about them, but you look forward to coming back. You feel better, you look better, and then just greet you, and they don't make you feel like you don't belong.
Everyone in our office is really welcoming, understanding, compassionate. I think you'll see that from right when you walk in to the MA that takes you back to any of our providers. So I really just encourage, come in, check us out, give us a chance, and we'd love to get to know you.
We're an open door. We love to talk to you and, you know, hear your concerns and steer you the right way.
It is my role to make people feel better inside, and if they so choose to look better on the outside. It's rewarding, definitely, to see people actually become a happier, healthier person. That means we've achieved our goal.